Hosting His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, to unveil the proposed Kingdom headquarters. We visited the President in May 2023, and His Majesty requested and asked the President to build for Busoga its Kingdom headquarters. It is a follow-up on that discussion between His Majesty the Isebantu and His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda that we are here today to commemorate and unveil this magnificent and historical building. I want to call upon all the Busoga to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda for this gesture of making Busoga proud and giving Busoga its pride that it longed for so many years. As you can see in the background here, these are the buildings that we have had, which have been here for over, I don't know, maybe 100 years. But today we are putting a foundation stone. His Excellency is putting a foundation stone for this magnificent and ultra-modern building, which is going to host the Kingdom headquarters, which is going to come with a cultural village, which is going to come with business amenities. I want to thank all the Busoga for the support they have given His Majesty to see that we are here today to commemorate this important occasion. Fellow Ugandans, let's support His Excellency in his bid for this election come 2026. I thank you for God and my country. Busoga, Okwisania, na Amani.